What's up, y'all? It's over his day. I'm tired. I did a lot yesterday. I ain't feel like getting up, but I got up anyway, you know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be one of those days that I don't feel like doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing. But I did do something. I made a salad today, and I made a BBQ Chicken Sandwich. Let me show you. Alright, as you can see here, I have used the last of my solar bread, so I used the ends. I like to save the ends for my little sandwiches and burgers. So I made me a salad. It was already ready and packaged. Wegmans romaine salad. It's good. I just added some cucumbers and some tomatoes. Pork rinds. Wegmans pork rinds also. I wanted some flavor to it, so I added some what's that? Garlic powder and a little bit of parsley flakes. And I already barbecued this. You saw me that on another episode. And that's my last one left. So I said, I'll just eat that for breakfast. So I just put some cheese, some mayonnaise, and that. So, and it's a great diabetic breakfast. Or well, it's not breakfast. Lunch is a great brunch. We'll call it brunch. It's a great diabetic meal, period. You know what I'm saying? No sugar. You know, maybe in the tomatoes, but that's all right. That's good. That's good sugar anyway. So we're good. You know what I'm saying? Solar bread has no wheat. Pork rinds is made of skins. Pig skins. Which is no sugar. Salad, of course, no sugar. And I'm going to use my usual friend. Let's see. Let me show you. Alright, so here it is. This is going to be my meal. Just plain water. I like water. I started drinking it regularly without anything, a meal and with a meal. So I don't require to have all that juice and stuff all the time. So water sometimes, easiest thing to fix, right? And then I still got my salad, my barbecue chicken, you know what I'm saying, that I made a few days ago. I just threw that in the microwave on this plate. And then mayonnaise and cheese, a couple slices of cheese on there, and pork rinds. You know what I'm saying? And my favorite zesty Italian from Kraft. It's all good, man. It's all good. And this is what I'm going to tell you. I love retirement. I just got out of bed. It's about 12 o'clock. I was thinking about 1,000 things. I have so much food I can make. And since y'all here, I won't be Uber eating because it don't make sense. You know, and plus I'm retired. I ain't got that kind of money. My money is like a lot less than what I used to make. But it's enough to pay for my bills and buy me food. That's enough for me, baby. That's enough for me. All right. So it's over his day, man. We're gonna have ourselves a nice little meal, and I'm grateful for you. Still love you. Every day is special, and I know that you might not think every day is special, because I didn't think every day is special. But every day towards retirement is a special day. You're investing, man. Invest in yourself. If you have things you can invest in, like 401 and all that kind of stuff, put it in there. Learn all the things that you can invest in from your job. I didn't start that until I was already 10 years in, and so I didn't get all the goods. You know what I mean? But I got enough. All right, I'll talk to y'all guys later. God bless. Be safe. Do what you're supposed to do. And I'm bust this grub, yo. Alright, here we go, y'all. I'm gonna bust a grub. And I'm gonna see if it's worth eating, okay? Alright, so said I would do it in front of you, so I'm gonna do it in front of you. All right. All right. All right, prayer said, let's eat. I'm gonna start off with crouton. Good. I could have put more garlic powder on there. Hold on, maybe I'll put some on. Maybe I'm gonna put some on there. I'll be right back. All right. Was it gone too long? Oh, nah. All right. Got my parsley. Got my garlic powder. I don't taste it on there too much, so I'm going to just sprinkle some on. Because when you in your own house, you don't play with flavor. You do exactly the way you want it. Put on some parsley flakes. Now, we'll put some flakes on here. I ain't gonna put no garlic in there. All right. Let's see how this goes. Well, I'm gonna try this first. Good addition. I'd be greedy and filling it up too high. Okay. Yup. Perfect combination. Yeah. Put more onion flavor on there. We're gonna douse it. Garlic, rather. I'm sorry, that's garlic. Garlic. Now we're talking. All right. That's a little bit. Let's have this. Man, this is my barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken, all right? Yeah. I'll take the barbecue, I'll take the cheese, and the bread. With the mayonnaise on it, it's good. You know what? Wait a minute. I'm just gonna say it. My mouth is full, I'm sorry. Look, I get barbecue, right? I get barbecue. Onion flavors, onion flavored pork rinds. They kind of work like croutons. And then I eat this and it's like a whole different experience because it's totally fresh, beautiful, and pork rinds, pork skins, with all that onion, garlic on it, and the parsley is coming through. And this, this is already heavily flavored. And cheese, the cheese with the bread. Let me tell you something. I think I like this life, baby. I couldn't do this at work. This is beautiful. I love this. I love this. All right, y'all. I was trying to cheat and just say I ain't going to eat it in front of you so you don't, but it's good. It's delicious. It's a beautiful. The one thing about being a diabetic, the hardest part about being a diabetic is the food. You need something that tastes good. And you won't miss cake and all that, because once you stop eating that sugar, you don't crave it as much. I'm not going to say I never eat cookies and stuff, because I do on certain occasions. But lately, I haven't even bothered with it, because I'm pleasing my palate. You please your palate, your body will take in all the vitamins and the nutrients and be grateful. Look, there's no unnatural flavors in here. I don't know what they put in here, but this is good. I'll take a couple, you do something. But for the most part, this is a great meal. And I'm tired of talking about it because I want to eat it. Okay? And I'm grateful to have you. Have a good one. I'm busy.
It's like you turn on the light, girl, and now everything's right, girl. Let's finish some spice, girl. Feels so right, girl. Now you got me all in, girl. Where the hell have you been, girl? You make my life so right, girl. We're so tight, girl, and I'm so glad. Yes, I'm so glad. Yes, I'm so glad. Yes, I'm so glad. So glad when you're with me. One more time now. I'm on and it's not the tree. It's like you turn on the light, girl, and now everything's right, girl. Let's finish and fight, girl. Feels so right, girl. Now you got me all in, girl. Where the hell have you been, girl? You make my life so right, girl. We're so tight, girl, and I'm so glad. Yes, I'm so
Great to see you.
so
I hope you have a nice day. And that's the end of this video. I'm good.
so glad. Yes, I'm so glad.
So you didn't see me eat it today. See that there? Yeah, I'm probably going to eat that tomorrow.